Apostolic Nuncio to Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea handed over the cruiser to Archbishop Nkea. They now have swap seats. Bishop S1 leaving the cathedral to Bishop Nkea. And priest of the Archdiocese of Bamenda will be going to Archbishop Nkea to submit to him. And that will be signifying that they will be paying their allegiance to him as their chief shepherd. His auxiliary Michael Nyabiswe Bibi.
Those chairs are not